I am Mr. Gant, Project Management. Lesson number 17, Activity Types. Objective: student will learn and be familiar with the different activity types in P6. Activity types. Activity types controls how activity dates are calculated. P6 Professional supports 6 activity types. Let's discuss in detail the 6 activity types. Start milestone. Used when an activity is intended to signify the commencement of a significant stage, rather than a physical work product. Example, notice to proceed. Has 0 duration. Has a start date only. Constraints, steps, expenses, WPs and documents can be assigned. Roles cannot be assigned. Resources cannot be assigned, except for the primary resources. Task-dependent activity. Scheduled only, according to the activity's calendar. Resources are scheduled to work, according to the activity calendar. Roles and resources can be assigned. Constraints, steps, expenses, WPs and documents can be assigned. Finish milestone. Used when an activity is intended to signify the completion of a significant stage, rather than a physical work product. Example, substantial completion. Has 0 duration. Has a finish date only. Constraints, steps, expenses, WPs and documents can be assigned. Roles cannot be assigned. Resources cannot be assigned, except for the primary resources. Level of effort activity. Duration is determined by its predecessor and successor activities, and its assigned calendar should be linked to its predecessors with a start-to-start and to its successors with a finish-to-finish relationship. Roles and resources can be assigned. Constraints cannot be assigned. WBS Summary Activity. Used to summarize at the WBS level that comprises a group of activities that share a common WBS level. Dates are based on the earliest start date and the latest finish date of the activities in the WBS level. Duration is based on its assigned calendar. Constraints cannot be assigned. Resource-dependent activity. Scheduled according to the calendars of assigned resources. Roles and resources can be assigned. Constraints, steps, expenses, WPs and documents can be assigned. Let's have a look how it works in P6. For the start milestone, let's select the activity type, Start Milestones. You can change the activity type in the General tab as well. The task-dependent activity type has 5 days duration. Let's change the activity type for the Finish milestone. Let's add a start-to-start and finish-to-start relationships to the activities. Let's schedule or press F9. As you can see, Start milestone has a start date only, while Finish milestone has finish date only. Both milestones have 0 durations. Let's add a level of effort activity below. Type level of effort. Change this first to 1 day. Change activity type to level of effort. Connect the start to start and finish to finish relationship. Let's schedule. As you see, the bar extended based on the linked activities. Next, the WBS Summary Activity. Let's add an activity. Type WBS Activity. Select Activity Type WBS Summary. Let's schedule or press F9. As you can see, the bar extended, and it summarizes the group of activities that's on the same WBS level. Let's change to 8 days, then schedule. The WBS activity changes. Let's discuss the resource-dependent activity. We have here 2 task-dependent activities with a 7-day workweek calendar. On the last activity, let's add a resource with a 5 days workweek calendar. Select Enterprise, then Resource. In the labor resource, add a 5 days workweek calendar. Back to Activities window. Select the last activity. Assign the labor resource. Change activity type to resource dependent. As you can see, the activity extended using the resource calendar assigned. This concludes our lesson. Thank you very much.